subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Sony has officially launched its new flagship device called Xperia 1 Mark II, and it is the successor of the last year's launched Xperia 1 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the new Xperia 1 Mark II features a flat 6.5-inch OLED display with 4K resolution and a large 21:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on both the sides, and it is certified by IP68 dust and water resistant. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage that can also be further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Xperia 1 Mark II supports a Zeiss-featured triple camera setup on the rear, including 3D eye-top sensor and LED flash. The triple camera setup includes a 12-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear camera supports features like real-time eye autofocus, 3x optical zoom, OIS for anti-shake and more. For selfies, there is 8-megapixel camera at the front with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with custom skin on top, and it comes backed by 4000 mAh battery with fast and wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.1 by 71.1 by 7.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 181.4 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Sony has not confirmed the pricing details of Xperia 1 Mark II at the moment, but it is set to go on sale in Europe starting late spring this year in black and purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Xperia 1 Mark II smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.